Fulton, LaPorte, Marshall, Pulaski, St. Joseph and Stark, and the following counties, in Michigan, Berrien and Cass. Blizzard warning in effect from 6 p.m. or 5 p.m. Central Standard Time Tuesday to 6 p.m. or 5 p.m. Central Standard Time Wednesday. What? Blizzard conditions expected. Snow accumulations of 6 to 10 inches with local amounts of a foot or more possible. Winds gusting as high as 40 miles per hour. Where? Portions of northern Indiana, southwest Michigan, and northwest Ohio. When? From 6 p.m. or 5 p.m. Central Standard Time Tuesday to 6 p.m. or 5 p.m. Central Standard Time Wednesday. Impacts. Strong gusty winds will create heavy drifting blowing snow which will reduce visibility significantly. Travel will be very difficult, especially in the Tuesday evening to Wednesday morning commute. Do not travel. If you must travel, bring an emergency kit with you in case of the event of an emergency. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, or visit weather.gov for the latest weather conditions and updates on this situation.
Civil danger for the counties of LaPorte, St. Joseph, Stark, and Berrien counties. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. The following message is transmitted at the request of local authorities. An extremely dangerous blizzard is ongoing in northwest Indiana and southern lower Michigan. Very heavy snowfall falling at a rate of 2 to 3 inches, very strong winds of 50 miles per hour, and dangerous snow squalls have been causing travel issues and widespread power outages. It is estimated that about 8 to 14 inches of snow have fallen within the last 8 hours. Multiple reports are showing people being trapped in their vehicles during the winter storm. Other disturbing reports also state that a few fatalities have been the result of this dangerous situation. All residents receiving this message are advised to not travel and to take necessary precautions for survival during this ongoing blizzard. To have a chance of survival, please do the following actions. Do not go outside or travel. Stay in your home. Make sure you have all appliances such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, extra batteries, a flashlight, and a battery-powered radio in case if the power goes out. Stay tuned to local media for updates on this developing situation. Repeating, a civil danger is in effect for a dangerous ongoing blizzard for LaPorte, St. Joseph, Stark, and Berrien counties.